Hello class 2, welcome to today's English reader class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, The Elephant's Nose, and today's date is 8th of June 2020. So the elephant's nose, it is taken from, it is written by Rudyard Kipling. Okay, the author name is Rudyard Kipling. And in this story, we are going to learn about how the elephant's nose has become longer. Okay, according to this story, previously what used to happen is that elephant's nose was no bigger. Okay, it was short only. And how? Due to his curious, मतलब वो बहुत जानने के लिए उत्साहकता रहता था. Due to his curiosity of asking question, one day he met with the crocodile and how his nose became bigger. So that's the story. So before starting a story, let's warm up with some of the animals' knowledges and all. So see, giraffe. Have you seen giraffe? Giraffe, it has a long neck. गर्दन उसका बड़ा रहता है. Zebra, it has a stripes, black and white stripes in its body. Camel, it has a hump. See, where it store water. It stores water. पानी इसमें, and it's found in desert. It is known as sheep of the desert. And lion, mean. Okay. So lots of animals, okay, have this special traits that help them to survive in their surroundings. Means specialities होती है. Different animals, they have a different sorts of specialities where they can help themselves to survive in the surroundings. A camel, we know that it is found in the desert, and it can survive without food and water for many days. Okay, it stores food and water on its hump. यहाँ पे hump है, so it stores its food and water. Basically, we know that desert, it's very hot, and even there is a problem of getting water and food, isn't it? So this animal is very helpful in desert, camel. Animals that eat only plants such as horses or cows, they have a sharp front teeth. उनका जो teeth होता है front में, those teeth are very strong, we can say, okay, and which help them to cut the grass easily. Flat and strong grinding teeth at the back of their mouth help them to chew their food. At the back of their teeth, okay, jaw, their teeth are flat, which help them to chew their food properly. And this is a tortoise. What a tortoise do? That basically when it's in danger, okay, it hides under its shell. Its outer cover of the part, it's very strong. Okay, but whenever it's वो बहुत strong, पत्थर की तरह strong होता है. Okay, so like a stone, it is harder. So whenever it seems that someone has come as an enemy or whatever, he found himself in a danger, they hide themselves inside this shell. Okay, and porcupine, it has a spines on its body, means काटा होता है. Other animals do not attack it. They get fear of injury for getting injured. Okay, so let's start the story now. There was a time when the elephant's nose was no bigger than a boot that he could wriggle from side to side. Wriggle means he can twist and turn from side to side. Okay, you will learn the meanings. Meanings are given in the boxes. But a curious elephant's child changed all that. You learn the spellings also. Curious means someone who wants to know what is happening. उत्साहकता के साथ में. The elephant's child was always asking questions. Every time he used to ask questions, why it is this, how it came, कैसे ही. But no one knew the answer to his question. Some silly sorts of questions he used to ask. Okay. And one day he asked such a question. उसने ऐसा question पूछा that frightened all the animals in the jungle. That उसके question सुन के बाकी के जो एनिमल्स है वो शॉक्ड हो गया, फ्राइटेंड हो गया. Let's see what he asked. What does a crocodile have for dinner? He asked. So his question was, what does a crocodile have for dinner? He wanted to know that crocodile क्या खाता है अपने dinner के लिए. As we know that crocodile is an animal which eats the flesh of other animals, isn't it? So all the animals used to say, shh, be quiet, said all the animals. No one wanted to even talk about it. Shh, be quiet, don't ask me, just go away. उसको ऐसे करके भगा देता था. But he would not, shh, मतलब he would not remain silent after listening to them. By and by, after so many animals, okay, he met one day the Kolokolo bird. Kolokolo bird is a red in color. ठीक है? She told him to go to the grey, green, greasy Limpopo river and you will get your answer. उसने बोला grey, green, greasy मतलब वो जो मिट्टी में बहुत कवर किया हुआ था, covered in a lot of oil, मिट्टी greasy, grease होता है ना, काला काला grease, that one, covered in a lot of oil. You just go to that river, okay, its color is green also and the river name is Limpopo River. And you will get your answer. There you will meet crocodile and you ask crocodile what you eat for the dinner and then crocodile will answer to your question. So off he went to the Limpopo River. At the edge of the river he saw a log of wood. मतलब बहुत सारे logs रखे हुए थे wood का. But then it winked one eye. Winked means closed one eye and opened again quickly. एक आँख बंद करके दूसरा आँख तुरंत उसने खोला दोनों के आँख ने. Excuse me, but have you ever seen a crocodile? Asked the elephant's child politely. Then he asked to this crocodile only. Under the log of the wood there was a crocodile. Okay, so he asked very politely. क्या आप जानते हो crocodile को देखे हो? Have you seen crocodile? Then a crocodile, he himself, he says, yes, I am crocodile. Then the elephant's child, he grew excited. Excited मतलब बहुत खुश हो जाना. If your father brings for you a surprise toy and you become excited, isn't it? Oh, कैसे चलेगा? Let me open this and let me use it. So you become excited. And kneeled down. अपने घुटनों में बैठ जाता है. Kneel down his knees. I have been looking for you all these days, he said. Will you please tell me what have you for dinner? Then he says that elephant's child, मैंने आपको बहुत ढूंढा. I was searching for you all around and I wanted to know that can you tell me that what you have for dinner? Then the crocodile say, come nearer. Little one, come nearer and I will whisper, said the crocodile. Then the crocodile said, come nearer, okay, and I'll whisper on your ears. That's what I eat for dinner. And then the elephant's child put his head down close to the crocodile's mouth. वो सामने से ले जाता है उसके crocodiles के mouth के सामने से and see what happened now. Okay, the elephant and the crocodile caught him by his little nose. He just caught him by his little nose. Then the elephant's child knew he was in big trouble. वो मुश्किल में फंस गया. He said elephants the largest animal होते हैं है ना, वो मोटे तंदुरुस्त strong होते हैं. तो he sat back on his haunches and he pulled and pulled. मतलब haunches मतलब the back part of the legs के जो back part है उससे ऐसे करके वो दबा देते हैं पैर के through से and वो started pulling. The crocodile was in water. The crocodile splashed in the water and he started pull and pull. He was also pulling and the elephants also pulling. Both were pulling from side to side. The little elephant's nose kept stretching and stretching. Tanta gaya. At last the crocodile let it go. The crocodile became tired and it let it go. Huff! The elephant's child fell right on his big broad back. Gira dhadam se. He looked at his nose. He could not see where it ended. His nose became longer. It was long. So long he could swish it around. Swish means move with a twist. ऐसे twist से move करना from side to side. But it hurted him awfully. Awfully means बहुत very badly it hurted him. बहुत say it's hurted him a lot. So he wrapped the nose in cool banana leaves and waited for it to shrink. So he just wrapped his nose, okay, and on the leaves of the banana, and he just waited for it to shrink. Shrink means to become smaller. But he waited and waited, but nothing happened. He could still swish it around. His nose has stayed like that ever since long. His nose was longer only. It was longer. It didn't grow shorter. So this is a story. Read the story. Learn the meanings and the difficult words. Question and answers and meanings I'll give you in Facebook.